Hello everyone, so today let me show you how I connect my Akaso V50 Pro. This is my extra camera that I bought around 2 years ago, I think in early 2019, and I never really used it that much, but I think it is a good camera. Now, what I've started doing recently, I have started capturing my bike rides and my car rides, and I think this action camera is actually very good for capturing your rides, because you can attach it and you can just record your rides, and then of course you can combine your videos using FFmpeg to make wonderful videos. Now today I thought I'll probably show you how I connect it to my dashboard on my car. So this action camera comes with this waterproof casing, and it also comes with plenty of attachments. I mean, I think more than ever you will ever need. So this attachment is actually very convenient. So all you need to do, once you have this setup on your windscreen, so this is something I believe I think it comes with the camera. I don't really remember, but after adding a review on Amazon, you can just send a link to that review to Akaso, and they will send you, I think, a few more attachments, few more accessories. So I think I got this suction thing with that particular additional review that I wrote, and to connect it, all you need to do, just slide this. So let me just do it very quickly right now. So let me just make sure you are able to see. So I just slide this like this, and I might need two hands, so let me try to do it with one hand if I can. Okay, I didn't hear the click. Okay, now I think it is perfect, and it is actually very firm, and I don't think it is going anywhere. So all you need to do now, of course, make sure the alignment is proper. So if you want to capture the sky, then yeah, this is fine, but I don't really want to capture the sky, so I'll probably make sure it is facing slightly in the direction of the road, not really the sky. I think this is fine now, and let me just tighten the screw. So this is amazing. And by the way, what I have been doing with this particular camera is I mean, I don't really drive too much, but whenever I'm driving, I keep it on, and it is wonderful. I'm able to record my rides, and I think the quality is actually not too bad. In fact, it is quite good. So let me turn it on. So if you look at the camera, I think the alignment is proper, and it is quite good. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.